Hi everyone, my name is Kiza and I am dicing up some zucchini for a Palestinian dish, and I'm going to I'm going to fry it in some garlic and olive oil, huh? And then the zucchini, then we're going to add the other ingredients to make this a Palestinian dish with the zucchini. But I put the skin aside so we won't have to worry about the skin getting in our food, huh? Oh, sorry. And then I'm gonna cut the zucchini into sticks first to make the dicing easier. And then boom. Okay. And so you try your best not to cut it too big, but then you'll cut it again if it's too big. Try your best.